Get down. Get down.
Yeah. Oh no. Hey, you're fucking girl. Can't hit a girl. No jail better.
Honestly,
Jail better.
I'm sorry. Can someone decrypt what the boy is saying?
Can you stop the thing?
Oh, can you? Come over here and meet your real father.
Yeah, you're not fucking
Go away, you little. Go away, you little homo. Get off that train. For God's sake, settle in open tomorrow. Go and get some food. Go and get some food.
Shit.
Go away. Go away, food out to the gang.
We need more food. Sorry that you're fat, mate.
Excuse me. Cycle thing's open. Fuck off. Get off the board. Go, quickly. Quickly, Salvation Army. Salvation Army shelters open. Fuck off your flag. Give them a round of applause for being dyslexic, ladies and gentlemen. Yay!